Good morning. It is June 28th, 2016. This will be a analysis of what's to come. Severe weather setup for today is prime for supercells, then squall line, then mesoscale convective complex. This is one of the computer models called the NSSL from this SPC. Notice as we loop this, we have discrete cells in the beginning, a large area of supercell thunderstorms to erupt. There it goes. And what we're mainly watching is that new line. We'll watch the orographic developed storms and a potential discrete supercell running down the lee side of the Black Hills into Custer County. And then we're going to see a squall line develop out of northeastern Wyoming. That too will be from a supercell arrangement over the next 3 to 6 hours. But currently outside we have a we have hold on. Let's take a look at some other. Hold on. Couple things to note. We have a better grasp on the convective initiation. That's tomorrow's there, but as we roll this, get closer. Look at this. This will have a discrete cell that'll pop right about here, and there it goes. Bang. And then that squall line just comes racing through. It's going to be one hell of an afternoon and evening, folks. We're going to have one strong cell that pops off the hills. There. Bang. Wow. Big squall line, lots of energy. Let me see if I. Let's composite it. So that's the NSSL. And look at the NAM, see what it does. I'm going to slow this down a bit. The NAM is the strongest one, North American model. Look at it. Okay, I'm just going to back this. Hold on. Pause. 6 hours. Oh. No. Technical problems here. It's the NAM. Nope, back. No. So imagine this around the 4 or 5 o'clock hour. We're going to see a storm supercell. It's a pretty strong cell. According to the NAM is the strongest one, but we watched this in northeast Wyoming blossom. 12 hours. Whoa. This is from the morning run. As a squall line, folks. Strongest storms, of course, eastern Custer County. Pretty typical. This will be the embedded supercell, and then the squall line itself will race faster, so it will start to merge, and we're gonna have one hell of a show here in eastern Custer County and then northeastern Fall River. Same areas that got hit last night from very heavy rain producing storms. Let's take a look at those dew points at this point. The radar or the composite reflectivity tells a lot, but look at these dew points starting to increase. Roll it. The Corn Belt, of course, is starting to really amp up with a lot of ample moisture from the Gulf of Mexico heading northward. Then you notice as that trough from Canada comes through, it will start to shunt that low-level moisture to the south. There it goes. See it right there. And that will be in the middle portion of the week. But we will see a good channel of moisture heading up into the Black Hills for the foreseeable future. Let's stop it at 6. Hold on. Right there. Good moist tongue or moisture evection, but look at that dry punch there coming in out of the west. And while with the westerly winds here, you can look at the winds on that note. Good easterly fetch. Look at that. There's going to be a warm frontal boundary right about here. And then like a cold front, which is mainly the trough. And we do got a low pressure system right about here. So a good intersection of winds at different levels in the atmosphere. If you want to look at the composites, then this is where things get pretty high. And bang, there's the supercell composite right now. Going to the 6. Oof. I would say storm chasers are heading up this way, don't you think? Let's roll it. See, watch the composite. Oof. There will most likely be a severe thunderstorm watch or even a tornado watch might have to be issued, but mostly they are leaning more towards a severe thunderstorm capabilities today due to the fast movement of the squall line that's going to be triggered out here in Wyoming. Now,